Okay, let's run the engine. And these seats are adjustable. They'll flip around too, so they point the living area. Kind of standard. Reflection. Okay. The odometer. Got your generator, which turn on later too. Backup camera. It's only flashing on the video. Radio. CB. And then the spotlight, which is pretty fun. Turn it on and move it around, control it. It's out the front, too light to see, but adjustable steering wheel. Brake. Get some extra vents in addition to the one here. Automatic.